There are lots of feelings we feel throughout the day. It is helpful to know what those feelings are and how they make us feel. Let's talk about it. Feeling 1. Happiness. Happiness feels light and warm. You might want to smile, giggle, laugh, and jump.
Like when my friends cheer for me.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Feeling number 2. Sadness. Sadness can feel heavy. Your eyes might get watery. You might feel quiet.
I felt a little sad when my tower fell.
That makes sense, Petey. Anyone would feel sad if something they worked hard on fell down. It's okay to feel sad. We can say, I feel sad because. And it's okay to tell a friend or grown up. They can help. Let's all practice saying it. I feel sad.
I feel sad when it's time to say bye-bye to my grandma. We went for a visit and now it's time to leave. I'm gonna miss her. I feel sad when it's time to stop playing. I need to stop and go take a bath, but I was having so much fun playing with my toys. I don't want the fun day to end, even though I need to get my rest to have a big day tomorrow.
Feeling number 3. Anger. Anger can feel hot and fast. Your body might want to stomp or shout.
I did want to stomp.
That tells me your body was feeling angry. It's okay to feel angry. It's not okay to hurt someone. When we feel angry, we can take 3 deep breaths. We can squeeze our hands or a pillow, or we can use our words. Let's practice breathing. Smell the cocoa. Blow out the candle. Smell the cocoa. Blow out the candle. One more time. Smell the cocoa. Blow out the candle. Feeling 4. Fear. Fear can feel wiggly in your tummy. You might want to hide.
Sometimes I feel scared if I think my friends won't want to play with me, or when I'm not with my favorite grown-ups.
Thank you for sharing that, Petey. That was brave. When we feel scared, we can hold a friend's hand, talk about it, or ask for help. Feeling 5. Surprise! Surprise happens fast. Your eyes get wide. You might jump a little bit.
Like when I hear a loud sound, like a balloon pop.
Something happened that you didn't expect.
Happy, sad, angry, scared, surprised.